This is a demonstration of an end-to-end condition monitoring solution brought to you by Movis, Rising, and XMPRO. Here's a look at the high-level process flow. We're going to start with Movis, where the alarm is generated. This is the Movis interface, where we can see alarms generated by sensors on particular assets. In this instance, the slow feeder number 9 conveyor has triggered an alarm. We're now going to move into XMPRO to see how you can respond to this alarm. As you can see on our image map, conveyor number 9 is highlighted with a red circle around it. And in the top right, you'll see a recommendation that's come through from the Movis sensor. If you click into that particular asset to drill down, you'll get some more information. And on the left, you'll see the recommendation as well. Drilling into that will open up the recommendation information. In the top left, you'll see the event data for this particular alert, and on the right, there are work instructions to walk you through how you could potentially respond to this recommendation. Now you'll want to create a notification in your SAP EAM system. So you type in the word yes and save this recommendation. If you close, it'll bring you back to the drill down for this particular asset. And if you then go back into the recommendation, you'll actually see the SAP notification number that was automatically generated for you. Now we'll look at how this continues in the SAP platform. As soon as you typed in yes and saved that particular recommendation, the integration automatically created a work notification inside SAP, which is what is highlighted on the screen here. From there, you can generate the specific work orders for the required maintenance. You can also update and change any of the notifications as you need to inside SAP. What we're pulling through is the exact same work instruction information that was seen in the XMPRO recommendation screen. That's being passed through to SAP as well, so it will be available to your users in here when they're interacting with this notification. If you mark that notification as complete, it will close out the recommendation all the way through. So if you go back into XMPRO, you'll see that this particular recommendation has been closed out and there are no active recommendations for this particular asset. And that all happens automatically in the background. This also gets updated in the Movis interface. If you go back to XMPRO and you open up your archive, you'll see the closed out recommendation. You can look at the event data and see the comments that have been passed back from SAP into the recommendation. So it'll be available in your history if you ever need to go back. If you return to the main view where we started, you can actually see that the alert on belt 9 is now clear. Thanks for watching this demonstration of an end-to-end condition monitoring solution brought to you by Movis, Rising, and XMPRO.